Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04. AWS CLI is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to efficiently manage AWS resources, automate tasks, and leverage the power of the AWS API. In this video, I will show how to install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04. Here, AWS CLI can be installed in three ways which are mentioned below. First one is Snap Package Manager, second one is tar.gz source file, and third one is through pipe installer. First method, how to install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04 using Snap Package Manager. Step 1, use the Snap Package Manager to install the AWS CLI in classic mode. For that, open the Ubuntu terminal. Now, you can see this command. Enter this command in the terminal. Click on enter. As you can see, the AWS CLI is being installed. You can see here the way Amazon Web Services has been installed. In the step 2, we can verify the installation by giving this above command. As we can see here, the AWS CLI has been installed and this is a version of it. Now we can uninstall this, we can uninstall it too. For that, we have to use this command. By using this command, we can uninstall the AWS CLI in the Ubuntu. As you can see here, the AWS CLI has been removed. In this way, we can install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04, and also in this way, we can uninstall the AWS CLI using Snap Package Manager. In the second method, we can install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04 from tar.gz source file. For that, step 1, we have to install AWS CLI using curl. For that, use this command. Click on enter. As you can see, it's been installed. Now, we have to install an unzip to unzip the files which are present in this curl. For that, use this command. Click on enter. As you can see now, the unzip has been installed. The next step is we have to extract the zip file. For that, use this command. Press on enter. As you can see here, the files are unzipping. It may take some time. As you can see, here all the files are unzipped. Now in the next step, we have to run the install script. For that, we have to use this command. Click on enter. As you can see, the AWS has been installed. To check the version of it, how to check the version of this, we can use this command. Click on enter. As you can see here, our AWS CLI has been installed and this is the version of it. Now if we want to uninstall it, we can use this command to uninstall AWS CLI. Click on enter. Now the AWS CLI has been uninstalled. To check that, we have to give this command. As you can see, as it's saying that no such file or directory, which means the AWS CLI has been uninstalled. This is how we can install AWS CLI on Ubuntu using pip installer. Sorry. This is the way to install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04 from tar.gz source file. Now the third step is how to install AWS CLI on Ubuntu 24.04 using pip installer. In the first step, we have to update our package list. For that, use this command. Is updated. Now in the second step, we have to install pip. For that, use this command. Let me clear this. Click on enter. Click on Y. Enter. As you can see, the pip has been installed now. In the next step, we have to install AWS CLI. For that, use this command. Click on enter. As you can see here, the AWS CLI has been successfully installed. Now we have to verify the installation. For that, in this step 4, use this command. Click on enter. As you can see here, the AWS CLI has been installed and this is the version of it. Now if you want to uninstall it, you can use this command. Now click on enter, click Y and press on enter. As you can see here, successfully uninstalled AWS CLI and this is a version of it. Now if we want to check the version, we can see, click on enter. As you can see, command AWS not found, which means it has been uninstalled. In the conclusion, AWS CLI is a valuable tool for efficiently managing and interacting with Amazon Web Services from Ubuntu 24.04 system. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can successfully install the AWS CLI and configure it to access your AWS resources. With the AWS CLI at your disposal, you can automate tasks, script complex workflows, and leverage the full power of AWS services from the comfort of your Ubuntu terminal. Thank you.